Guys, just pulled up here in the daily, the Cobra. You guys saw the other video. Badass. If you guys want some smoke, hit me up, let me know. We're talking about the Black Sheep today. I mentioned something in the other video and I feel like a lot of people reacted differently than I would expect to it. So we're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about options and we're just kind of going to go from there. So I'm torn because I got a lot of money in this. I can't just sell the car because it's like my first race car. Can't sell it. It's stuck with me for life. It's like the cow. But I mentioned about taking the Hemi out and putting the LS in there, and I want y'all's input on it because this is where we sit right now. We're almost done. Like we're 99% done with it. I got to finish a few things on the Bad Apple before it goes to the chassis shop, but yeah, let's pop back in here, check on the F-body real quick. We got some work truck shit going on, some more work truck shit going on. We got Tyler over here, master parts installer. Dude, look at that anti-roll bar. What's your thoughts on that, CJ?
It's a nice unit,
brother. You're a big F-body guy.
Yeah, what's up?
What's your thoughts on this setup back here?
It's nice. I'm not real sure about this setup.
What do you mean?
I've never
seen it go on
bolted a
roll
bar on before.
Yeah, but this is their badass one,
yeah.
And it's got teeth on it.
Yeah, but they're tight. Like they're tight right now. And I smacked it with a hammer and I just rotated it around the axle. So I don't know. Maybe we should weld it on there a little bit.
You want to?
I guess if you think about it though, it shouldn't really be a problem.
No, instead of it trying to roll up and down, it should just try to twist and then stop. Yeah. But when you look at this thing's got damn rod ends on it.
Nice rod ends.
Yeah. I don't even know how to.
Bracket that bolts on the chassis is really nice.
How do we set it up?
You just neutral it.
That's it?
Yeah.
No preload? I've seen guys go fast on the drag strip with these. So this is the setup. I got some new tires because my Larry Hoover's too big. I over Larry Hoovered it.
Your wheels are the wrong spec.
The wheels are the wrong spec. Here, stand that up right. Here's my new tire right here. CJ, you take this. Big cameraman right here. Say what's up to the people.
What's up, people?
Dude, this damn train, bro.
Every time.
Marginal. So this one's like 28.5 inches tall. This is like 27.5 inches tall. The front's a 26. So we all agreed it looked like it had too much sidewall in the back. Yeah. So this should fix that. But if someone wants some 28-inch 315, what are they? 315 40 18s, brand new. I went to do a burnout on them and I broke the drive shaft, so the stickers are still on these bad boys. We're gonna swap them over to this, and then we shouldn't have to like roll the fenders even more. Because if you look, oh yeah, there's the carnage. If you look, this side's not bad at touch, but this side here we rolled with a jack handle in the parking lot of Best Buy, I believe, in Indiana. So this is the setup we got. Right now it's stock LS1 with a set of Speed Engineering long tube headers and Y-pipe. We got a $3,000 triple disc clutch. We got a stock transmission. We got a Strange S60 with Willwood brakes, 35 spline wave track locker. It's got a bunch of BMR and suspension engineering parts on it. And my man's got a fender roller.
Where's the lug nuts?
I don't know. Listen, I'm gonna leave it up to the people. Whatever they say in the comments, I need everyone to comment on this video. I need everybody to like this video.
You're gonna get 25 comments. We need like 50 to make a decision.
No, we need like 100 comments to make a decision. So here we are with the Black Sheep. I'll give you the rundown on it. It cranks, it runs, it needs to be tuned. We need to put belt guard on it, blower restraint, and belly pans, and we are done. We have to add weight to it. This is the big thing because the percentages are off. So in order to get our
Tell them how much weight you got.
I'm getting there. In order to get the percentages right, we have to add 250 pounds to the car, which is a lot. Right now we're way too nose heavy, so we have to put 250 pounds on the axle and in the back of the car to get our weight percentages correct. Now that is a lot. That's gonna put us at like 3,200 pounds. That is heavy. What happens when you have a heavy car is, one, it's a little bit harder to make it go fast up front, and two, you break a lot of shit normally in the drivetrain. It's hard on transmissions. I mean, it still is hard on the motor, but this, I mean, it just kind of is what it is. And the rear gear and the axles are going to I mean, having failures, hard parts failures and that would be not uncommon. So this is kind of where I'm at with it. I have a Gangster LS motor. I got a dart block with Cleveland main crank with a set of all pro heads. You guys have probably seen it on the channel if you watch a lot. It's an absolutely gangster motor. If y'all say so, I'll take the Hemi out, even though I just spent like a ton of money on custom headers and I mean, the thing's badass. Take the Hemi out, sell it. I could sell it as a complete unit, top to bottom, head to toe, or I can sell the blower and then sell the Hemi itself. Sell it. Gone. Stick the LS in there, build a single turbo kit, maybe build a twin turbo kit. I'd probably come back with twins, you know? Come back with twins and, or single 98, then you could run every single class.
Single 98, we can take it out to go out on Thursday.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
So, I don't know. You guys tell me what you want. I was all about the Hemi life, okay? Before we had a Pro Mod that had a Hemi in it. And then the maintenance cycle on it is crazy. And this would be the same exact maintenance cycle. You go out there, you make 40 runs, put a set of rods in it. It's a lot of work. Valve train components, 100 runs on lifters, checking out push rods. A lot of shit. So, I'm indifferent, right? I'd be comfortable putting LS with turbo in there. I think we would bring back the Black Sheep V2. This would have just been for, I guess, educational purposes, because I learned a lot. I learned, yeah, PRI, it was great there, it was a big hit, but yeah, that's kind of where we're at. So, I mean, you guys tell us what you want. Do you want to see the Black Sheep come back, single turbo, twin turbo? Do you want to see it run with the Hemi, or do you want to see it converted back over to an LS?
With a single turbo and a dart block, it'd be about 2,840 pounds. That's an iron block, isn't it?
Yeah, before we had an aluminum block and we were 2,760, so it's going to weigh 140 pounds more.
So we'll be at 2,900 again.
Yeah. Which, I
That's
mean...
where we're at now.
Yeah. That's got to be lighter than this. Has to be lighter than this.
Has to. I mean, the blower weighs difference right there.
Yeah. So, I mean, I don't know. Logan, what's your opinion?
I say put a turbo LS in it and go racing.
You want me to get rid of this?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not saying get rid of the Hemi, but go race it like local tracks.
No, I'm not going to keep the Hemi, I can tell you that. If I take it out, it's getting sold. What's your, running with the Hemi or sell it and go LS?
Give the Hemi a shot first.
Okay, we're 1-1. CJ, what do you say?
LS.
LS? All right, let's go ask Mason. I'm in the shop, that's kind of where we're at. But I need everyone at home to comment so we can get it figured out. Mace, yeah. What's your take? Run the Black Sheep with the Hemi or sell the Hemi and put an LS turbo back in it?
I don't know. So here's my dilemma.
Yeah.
You put an LS turbo back in it,
Yeah.
we know how fast it can go. It might pick up a few numbers.
Yeah.
It's only gonna go so fast, right? It's gonna be marginal difference from where we were, right?
Yeah.
No matter how gangster of a motor.
Yeah, well, I don't necessarily know if
then-
even with the Hemi, it would only go like, so
Hemi is going threes.
oh yeah, 100%. So like, we would essentially have a 4.0 car, where right now we probably have a 390 car, but a high 380 car, low 390
that
car.
is a lot more competitive than a. But I don't know. I'm just conflicted on it.
Well, then
My
we can
problem-
go run it at the lot. We can go run it at like
Totally get
Rico's.
that. Totally agree. The problem is we have a car that would probably be even better for that. Crop roaster.
No, we have too many cars. Yes.
Yeah.
But I'm just trying to get a game plan.
That's why it gets hard because we have so many cars that it's like we have a car that's way better than that.
I know,
you know
but
what I mean. So then you're
financially,
like,
right? Financially, I could probably sell everything out of it and build it back and not have to come out of pocket any, right? Other than time. It is done right now, other than 2 or 3 minor things. So time comes into play, or we could just leave it how it is and run it. But then the maintenance of that is higher. Or we could run it till it kicks the block and then sell it, or kicks the rod out the block, then sell it and put an LS in it.
I
like that idea.
I liked the car a lot more when it was a turbo LS.
Yeah.
When we put a Hemi in it, I just kind of know I kind of lost interest in the car.
But if we went out
also
there
know-
and shot people's hats off in the burnout, you're in.
It would be fun. Yeah.
Okay, all right.
I think the car would be fun. I just
Yeah.
it was a more fun car to race.
Yeah.
I think with an LS.
Well, I see the
Plus
answer right now. Run it as it is, or take the power plant out and rebuild the entire thing. Here's the thing that gets me. If I have, and I say I wouldn't come out of pocket. I got to get a new converter. Got to get a new bell housing. Got to put a new motor or mid plate in the car.
We already have the converter out of that.
No, I got rid of everything.
Hear me out. Just leave it how it is.
Yep.
Make it a burnout car.
No. I think, you know what, we're this close, I think we need to, I don't know, I'm torn. Like a minute ago, I was making this
It
video.
doesn't seem like a lot of work to put it back the way it was.
It is a lot of
but
work.
it is a lot of work.
Because I don't have nothing
You're
to-
basically
from scratch.
building a new car.
Yeah. Dave, we'll let Dave decide. All this weighs on you. Are we going to run the black sheep how it is and leave it like that for a while, or take it out and put an LS in it?
I'm actually going to be pissed off if I don't get to see that thing run with blower.
There's your answer. All right, well, it's really tough to the people at home, but Dave, that was a good, strong argument.
If anybody has a piece of lead that is like about this thick and about this dimension, weighs somewhere around 300 pounds, we'll take it.
We're gonna have to spend a day putting tabs on that thing just to hang the weight on it.
Have you told him?
Yeah,
How
200,
bad it is?
250 pounds, 220 pounds
At least, yeah.
to get the percentages right. So,
Any weightage with the new...
yeah, and it needs it mostly on the axle because you don't need to put a lot of it on the
What
chassis.
does it weigh?
It weighs like 29 something.
Okay, so it picked up some weight.
Yeah, and then I need to add 220 pounds to get the percentages right.
At least.
But that, look what they go in LDR. LDR, they weigh 3,300 pounds going 380.
Hey, and that's what it'll have to be, so...
And then we could technically run LDR with it.
Dude.
One thing about it,
Do they let screw blowers in LDR?
Yeah,
it's a Whipple.
it's a Whipple.
It's a Whipple, but they classify it as a screw.
Well, you don't classify it as a screw.
No, that's
so
not-
so
that's
what
the
is it?
rule.
So what is
That's
it?
the world's
Pick up
biggest
your
bitch
mind.
of a fucking screw.
Oh, show me your screw.
What do you mean by that?
I don't know. Listen, as you can tell, I'm torn. I need you guys at home to comment. Technically speaking, 2 or 3 days worth of work on the car, and we're done.
Yeah.
Like we're done. Like to the dyno, to the track, done.
You know what I'm way more interested in?
What?
Dump trucks.
The dump truck, yeah. So, all right, I need your support. I need you guys to comment down below. Tell me what you want to see. Run it as it is, or probably take, I don't know, a year and rebuild it with an LS. I'm being realistic. We'll run it as it is in probably like a couple weeks. We go on a break from PDRA stuff after Maryland. So after next week, we have time just to work on bullshit around here. Which we could probably get it done and test it. Or we could take a year and rebuild it. So I can't make the decision. You guys need to comment down below and let me know. And I'm torn. I think we should let them decide.
Yeah, even though the weight percentage is way off now, I think we get that, more desirable. I think it'll work better because I think,
Dude, the power delivery is going to be so smooth.
yeah. And I think you can probably get less aggressive with the bar and stuff in it, and you won't have that.
Yeah. No, I don't know. I feel good about it. So, all right.
Like you can run
I'm not even
a-
going to edit this video. I mean, I'm a mental midget right now. I'm torn apart. I don't know what to do. So I need you guys to tell me, comment down below, what do we do with the black sheep? Crisis, huh?
We should no preface.
Dude, no. We could. Oh, that could be a good candidate for the shady side stuff. Comment down below. We don't know what we're going to do. We need your help. And we just really need your support. So, clock in.